Ka St. Anthony's Lower Primary School, Hanek Sngi, Kalai Poetry Jamang Rajar Apsau, Kalai Simbenta Baraki, a world note tabacodi. Dakabayat Padba, Rankat Bat Kiplakan, Kibatho, no smoking, quit smoking, quit tobacco, but Kiway. Abakran Shikalat Patai Kubor, Headmaster Jong, Ka St. Anthony's Lower Primary School, Father Raphael Tham, SDB, Ulaong, Bakani Kadek Sngi Kaba, Manla Usnem Juraki, but Manta Usnem. Khynnah ru kimi bani simbantalang bakin tip halor ke jingma lada penon kam ya Duma uba unsakta ya ka koit ka khia ka jongki bat jongki tu kiba penon kam ya u kumjuru la kantui kikmi kikpa bat kibai bakin tip bat ai jing hikai ki khun baki dei ban bam dak jingbam ki bantai ya kamet ka phat ka jongki.
Today Shibata na po ka Board of School Education kung ka school hiyo ya ka order na ka Board of School bang haban pandang ya kene ka walk World No Tobacco Day. But this year is this World No Tobacco Day is always every year. We are supposed to have every year. But this year we feel committed that we need to tell all the children that they too should be aware of the ill effects of tobacco, and they need to be agents to carrying this message that tobacco is bad, and that the parents too should learn to teach their children the correct thing about life. They need to feed their children not with tobacco, they need to feed the children with good food. Moreover, we need to be aware that many companies are very strong, especially in producing tobaccos. So much so that they lure their children, because it is through the children that they receive big money. So from that point of view, the focus is the children. Their focus is not so much on the health of the children, their focus is to have a big money in the bank. So because of that, we join together with the board to say no to tobacco, to say no to allurement of big companies of tobacco to the children, because they don't care for the children. Because if the children get sick, the children die, they gain because the bank and the money in the bank is big enough. So therefore, they work for money, they don't work for the welfare of the children. But the school at large, they work for the welfare of the children. So therefore, we want the children to be aware and to avoid as much as possible the ill effects of tobacco, either by smoking or by consumption. Ong yaki ngilaong yaki khynnah lengba kidohikai bakin penkre yaki plakat nginum la hi ban ong lada kile hi daki khynnah ne la kile hi ngim sama ngilaong yaki bakin penkre yaki plakat let's say kidon lagi khynnah ki ba la dohi dala dehi lembar pini ni kidon ki bale daki crayons kidon par ki bala ashufrin tiki khynnah kinum la ban frin rei lingba ki kwi pa let's say kla per bhana ta ki plakat am ta ni kasi kelor kani let's say kamda don kame lada ngi ale ki khynnah ngi ale ki kwi ki pa dei kitu ki khynnah ki bale dala de ka khamna ma ko ka jingo jeki ba kani kalong ka kajing sautu jengki ya kajing sni ujong Duma bad ya kajing don kam na gamta juki ban kiar kat bala na kajing bam na kajing di